I'm Nisivicha. I'm a student. I'm a BTech student here at EC department. And today I'm going to say something about our robotics lab. It's unique from our Spurti Engineering College institutions, and it was very good to do great projects here. We have something called as IEDC, where all our students has an opportunity to put their ideas and improve them, incubate them, and make a product. Here at IEDC, from our college, we get 2.5 crores of funding from the central government, and every project and every student has funded up to 2.5 lakhs on their project. And here we have a professional mentorship for each project and each team, and we have amazing faculty who guides us to make our products, make our ideas into the products, where all of our students in the Spurti Engineering College utilize this amazing opportunity to enhance their life skills and make their own ideas into products. Coming to our lab opportunities, we have all our modeling design equipment such as 3D printing and IoT design equipments here. All the sirs and faculties here will guide how to make our product more advanced in market. So today I'm really happy to be in this IEDC and robotics lab in our Spurti Engineering College. Thank you.
Hardeep from Spurti Engineering College of EC department, where our college has a different industrial 3D printing, where any other colleges in our Telangana will not have the industrial grid of 3D printing machines. Now, the emerging technologies for the future engineers are growing day by day. So in our college, we are providing different types of emerging technologies such as AI, ML, IoT, robotics, and embedded systems and data science. So students of emerging technologies, where they can learn with the help of the in-house professional members, where they can ask the doubts and clarify their doubts at any moment of the time where they want required. And our college is providing an IEDC fund of 2.37 crores, and each student will consist of a 2.5 lakhs of funding. So the students can develop their own product, and who are interested for it, they can become an entrepreneurship. So the students of upcoming engineers and entrepreneurs come to this college and gain their success in their lives. Thank you.
So this is a very advanced lab of AI/ML. In AI/ML, the applications of AI/ML are into computer vision, which includes image processing, audio, video applications. So the computing requirements of AI/ML applications are totally different. Means a lot of matrices, vectors and tensors related computations, complex computations are involved. So conventional computer lab is not sufficient for AI/ML applications. So in Spurti Engineering College, in this AI/ML lab, we have this GPU enabled. The GPU enabled processing units we have, which we call it as GPUs, and we have high definition cameras and audio video processing units, which can be useful in developing computer vision applications, which are used for object detection, object classification, etc.
Hello everyone, my name is Archita. Recently I have completed my graduation in Computer Science and Engineering stream from Spurti Engineering College. I got placed in various companies like into startup companies and TCS. Not only me, my friends also got placed in various companies like TCS, Cognizant, Accenture and many more. Along with my academics, we got trained in various technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, data science, big data, and AR, VR, and also in Android development, for giving me this opportunity to be the part of it. Along with this, I have also participated in various innovation and entrepreneurship programs. In my second year, I got selected in IEDC, like Innovation Entrepreneurship Development Cell, and I got the fund of 2.5 lakhs for my project, which helped me a lot. And finally, I want to say one thing to all the students who are watching this. Spurti is the best college for those who want to start their career in innovation and entrepreneurship.
Hi everyone, I am Pranati Gunreddy from a proud student of Spurti Engineering College. I can proudly tell that I got placed in two MNCs, Capgemini and TCS. The training, it is all because of the efforts and encouragement which have given by our faculties and the training and placement cell. The college management have provided us with many more opportunities and many more trainings which have been provided, have helped me in cracking these jobs. The training which have been provided by Spurti Engineering College have helped me in making my dreams come true. Our friends also have got placed in many of the big companies such as Cisco, Accenture, TCS, Cognizant, Capgemini, Mindtree, and many more topmost companies. The training includes a Salesforce training, Code Tantra course. These have been provided at free of cost by Spurti Engineering College Management. Finally, I would like to thank Spurti Engineering Management for helping me in accomplishing my dreams. This is the best college which every student can join and make their dreams come true. Thank you.
I'm CH Akshita. I'm graduated in Spurti Engineering College in the year of 2021 in the stream of Electronics, Communication and Engineering. Recently, I've placed in Accenture, which is one of the top MNC. Spurti Engineering College provided me the CRT training and coding classes in platforms like Codetantra, Coursera and Coursera. They are very supportive in all these 4 years. They provided us workshops, hackathons and many digital classes. I'm very thankful to the Spurti Engineering Management and College for being supportive in all these 4 years for achieving my goal. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Grishma and I'm pursuing third year from our Spurti Engineering College and మన స్ఫూర్తి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడాలంటే చాలా పెద్ద హిస్టరీ ఉంది అండ్ చాలా గొప్ప పేరు ఉంది. మన డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజికల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇస్ సపోర్టింగ్ అస్ అలాట్ ఇన్ ఆల్ ద వే ద గుడ్. ప్రతి ఒక్క విషయంలో దే ఆర్ సపోర్టింగ్ అస్. బీయింగ్ మీ మైసెల్ఫ్ ఒక కబడ్డీ ప్లేయర్, నేను చాలా సర్టిఫికెట్స్ మన కాలేజ్ ద్వారా సంపాదించాను. ఇంకా చాలా అంటే చాలా అచీవ్మెంట్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి మన కాలేజ్లో స్పోర్ట్స్ కోటాలో. Many of our students went to Haryana for playing JNTU and all India sports. Even Central Zone Kabaddi kuda win ayyam meme and I'm very happy for that. Studies ane kaakunda they put us in all the way in and ప్రతి దాంట్లో చేయాలి, ప్రతి దాంట్లో మనం ముందుండాలని మమ్మల్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తూ ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు.
Hello everyone, myself Shruti and I'm pursuing my BTech third year from Spurti Engineering College, and being a sports player I'm very much honored to speak through Spurti, and I have been a good athletic player in Spurti Engineering College and I have been took part in through first year. I have been in athletics, volleyball and also in some of the games like shot put, discus, and I have been also taken part in Reliance sports meet and I went for the nationals twice in athletics for shot put and discus. And thank you for giving this opportunity to being a part of the Spurti Sports Club. Thank you.
Spurti Engineering College is the gateway for all emerging technologies, offering courses in BTech CSC. Spurti Engineering College, Nadagul near LB Nagar, Hyderabad.